Welcome back to the Heat and Air Guy. My name is Chris, and today we're going to show you a clip from a technician where he found what we call the death wobble. As you can see, the motor was rattling itself apart, making all kinds of abnormal sounds throughout the house. This was caused by improperly installed ductwork. We were able to make the proper corrections to the ductwork, replace all the worn out parts on the blower motor, which alleviated all the sounds in the home and increased the comfort levels. If you do suspect that you are experiencing the death wobble, call us at 405-305-5734.